In the middle of a very big, very shiny city lived a tiny cleaning robot named Bolt. Bolt was only as tall as a toaster and had to big, friendly blue eyes. His job was to zoom around the city sidewalks and sweep up dust. Bolt loved his job, but he dreamed of something bigger. He dreamed of the stars. Every night, he would look up at the tall towers where people lived and see the twinkling lights above. One evening, something strange happened. The sky was usually full of bright, glittering stars, but tonight, they looked dim and faded. They looked sleepy. Bolt overheard a scientist robot complaining. "The city's electricity is too bright. It's making the stars tired." Bolt's internal circuits buzzed. He knew he had to help. He would his little wheels as fast as they could go. He zoomed past giant skyscrapers and quiet parks. He had an idea. Bolt stopped in the main city square right beneath a giant, dazzling billboard that flashed super sparkling soda. Beep boop bip. Bolt chirped loudly into his microphone. "Attention, residents. I need your help." Nobody heard him over the noise. Bolt thought hard. His programming told him to clean, so he decided to clean up the noise. He drove his little chassis right up to the biggest power box he could find, using his tiny magnetic arm. He didn't turn the city off, he just redirected the energy from the giant, noisy lights toward the quieter park areas. Click! The main billboard switched off. The huge flashing sign on the bank went dark. The whole center of the city became beautifully quiet and dim. The people looked up, surprised, but they didn't complain. For the first time, they could see what Bolt saw. As the city light pollution faded, the sleepy stars in the sky began to wake up. They blinked slowly, then started to shine brighter and brighter, until the night sky was a beautiful, velvety canvas covered in brilliant diamonds. Bolt, sitting happily beneath the stars he had saved, gave a happy whir. He was only a small cleaning robot, but he learned that even the smallest person can make the biggest difference if they try.